Nope, nothing there. Nope, they stole the mats and forgot them. And I'm going to show you what this is, because we're going to do the cabin filter. That's what we're working on. And we're going to show you that door number one. We have the typical, let's pull this little shock out of the way. And with both hands, because these are kind of tight, you have to go up and over this wall. You see, you really got to put some oomph into it. So let's get both hands. Come listen to my podcast. Yeah, I don't know because if it's brand new, but you really gotta squeeze those two up over this wall. And only to reveal this door. Hey, look, a light. And we're gonna squeeze on this side. Here we go. We pinch these two. Throw it on the floor. And look, here we go. Ooh, it's dirty. See ya. Put it right back in. Assuming it's a new one, by the way. But you can put a used one back in. Go ahead. So, you have to really line it up. There we go. I had to squeeze it a little bit. So, there you have it. I'll line this side in into that little groove right there. And like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Oh, let's just say you pop this off, because you can. Uh-oh. These line up to the flat spot, right here. That's how you line it up. So you want to line those up. All right, give it a little nudge, and then there you go. See how it lines back up. Put the shock back, and thanks for watching.